means something different to me than it means to most people. I don't measure money by a dollar amount. I don't measure a relationship by what comes out of it. I can say many analogies about time. Time is something that I think of that expands and contracts. Relationships grow and they shrink. They take time, they give time. Money works in the same aspect. We all need some sort of income for us to survive in this world. The amount of time that we spend on our particular choice of income is how we position ourselves with our time. This will make sense. Sounds fine. I am a healthcare insurance broker. What happens with my time is I invest my time into other people. In doing that, they have the opportunity to have a better life, a healthier life. That's what it comes with. After this enrollment season, which ended on January 15th, I found myself with all of this data. There's tons of it. And I didn't know what to do with it. Usually each year I'll take this spreadsheet and I'll go over to this carrier and I'll grab this information, I'll head it over there, and I'll put it over here. And the next thing you know, I've spent a day putting all these conversations that I just had with somebody into a computer so that I can watch them for the next year and then realize, oh, I gotta do it again next year. That is where SoundSpire was born. I'm pretty nerdy. I like nerdy stuff. I like to build things. I like to see things work. In this process, in the last several months, I've learned how to build different programs. This program is not your simple off-the-shelf, we're going to make this thing work. It actually is a very in-depth, detailed database that I can completely manage. And the beautiful thing about it is, I made it so everything that goes into it is based on what I need to access, not what somebody else created, so that I can work around their situations and solutions to make them work for me. I use my time to bring it all closer to me. That is where I'm going with time and SoundSpire. What it is, what is different about it, it is a complete data integration system, not only for me, but for the clients. When they go into the system, they are given an opportunity to turn on. And when they do that, it works very well. Oop. There we are. What I took all, okay, here's the easy. I am working on explaining something to you that is very complex to me. But I'm looking to simplify it here. Essentially what happens is someone might call me and say, hey Bryan, I need this to happen because this is happening in my life. And I'm like, okay, Mr. Mrs. So-and-so, let's see what we're working with here and how we can make this better for you. That's my first chunk of time. Then it goes into this land of databases where whatever carrier I'm talking to, it goes into their system, it gets processed at their time rate. When it comes back, then I have this information. In the meantime, I've done something else with a number of other people, and that whole process, then everything is backed up, and here we go again. When I say there's 30 seconds involved in the final product, that is very true, because that is what I'm looking to do. It's taking, instead of using all this time that I might or might not have, and assimilating all this information, now I've got a foolproof way that actually I can go in and manage all of it. That just sounds good. The beautiful thing about this is not only when that token is created for that person, they also have a QR code that's connected to them. So it's not as if I'm just saying, hey, give me all your information, I'm going to watch it and call you when you need it. This actually will communicate with them. When they go to the doctor, they can say, this is my information, this is how it works, and here's all your information so you can get what you need from me so I can get the care that I need. If all that makes sense, that it goes around and around about. The beautiful thing about this, we all live in a world of AI. AI is everywhere, except it's not going anywhere. It's like the transistor. It's here to stay. Don't fight it. It's happening. Throughout this, I realized, hey, I can go in and grab all this information, but it's dirty data is what they call it. It's just columns and rows of all this information. They know what it does, but I don't know what it does. Well, I know what it does, but you don't know what it does. In turn, I took all of this information. I can screenshot it. It's a trash compactor. It is a trash compactor. That's what SoundSpire is. Sound being, that's the name of my companies. All my companies start with sound. It just runs like that, so we're running with it. Spire means to the top of. I don't really like to say anything like Pinnacle Spire, but I was running out of options and time. So we stuck with SoundSpire. And my trash compactor that it is. I can take whatever I want, I can throw it in there, it knows exactly what to do with it, it organizes it, creates files for all of my clients, which then, if I tell it to, will communicate with them. Is HIPAA compliant. I crossed all the T's and dotted all the I's. It works. I've talked about it the second time now, and there will be a third time when I get this a little bit more concise for all of you.